Hi, this is Anil Rathod from Hyderabad. Presently, I'm in Goa for Mr. India Rubaru 2020-2021. Currently, we are shooting a body round. You can see around, everyone is shooting there. Sir Amit Khanna photography is shooting there. I basically love his work. I'm really excited to work with him. I'm basically into by profession a model and actor. Have done couple of movies in Telugu like Mr. Majnu, Venki Mama, Ragalu 24 Gantalu and Vishwasam. Now I'm doing as a lead in negative character in Telugu movie. This Mr. India, why? Because मेरा dream था representing India in an international level. That's the reason I'm here in Goa today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basically, I work in a ETV live channel called fitness program called Get Set Fit. I work as an instructor there. Um, so by that, I'll be weekly 2-3 days I'll be shooting for that. वो मेरे को help होगा fitness के लिए. And daily I maintain my diet, eat clean, eat green. Wherever I go to diet, I follow my boxes so that my diet won't get disturbed. That's the reason behind this.
Please don't leave me and go. Please, please, please don't. I can't.
Yeah, see, now we are shooting in sun. We need to maintain it in by using sunscreens for every 3 hours and drink a lot of water so that your skin won't get dried or keep hydrating yourself. Yeah, excited for Amit Khanna photography body round सबसे important था. I was really excited for this. Amit Khanna sir से work करने के लिए. It was good. See, you need to be confident in what you're doing. See, being a model, you have to be fit. So अगर fit ना रहा तो be confident. Confidence is important in the modeling. So that's okay. You can manage it by body you have. But I can only say confident रहो, keep smiling. That's it. People say this a lot because South Indian industry में the fashion industry is very less compared to Bombay, Bangalore, Pune and all. I think Hyderabad South side भी ज़्यादा potential है. There are many good looking guys and girls, but they have to come out and explore it. There are so many lot of good opportunities waiting for you. You have to explore it. That's it. Basically, I have awarded a Hyderabad Best Model Award in 2019 and also got nominated for Times of India Most Desirable Men in 2019. So by this experience, I think this experience helped me in this pageant because यहाँ पे freshers भी रहेंगे, experience भी रहेंगे. You can't say you are experienced, you can win it. But freshers also have worked a lot. They also want to get into this industry. They are giving a very good competition in this. So looking forward for it. Yeah, daily एक round चल रहा था. Like yesterday it happened at Tuxedo. Today it's going to be Indian and beach body round. Tomorrow there is an Indian wear round going on. So एक दिन एक round चलता रहा so that people get to see you in different attires. See, people who are interested to get into the modeling, this is a very good opportunity Rubaru Mr. India is giving. So grab it. If you have a talent, so grab it. This industry, this organization gonna help you a lot. Yeah, I admire Allu Arjun, the way he style, the way he dance. I like it. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. Thank you. Bye.